Dear students, today we will solve one algebraic inequation. So, the question is like this: solve 2x by 2x square plus 5x plus 2 is greater than 1 by x plus 1. So, solution. So, to solve this inequation, so don't cross multiply. So, because we don't know the signs of the variables here. So, that is why don't cross multiply. Then how to solve 2x by 2x square plus 5x plus 2? You take out 1 by x plus 1 left hand side. Then it becomes 1 by x plus 1 is greater than 0. So, in next step, so this becomes x plus 1 into 2x square plus 5x plus 2. Here you will have 2x into x plus 1 minus 2x square plus 5x plus 2. So, this implies if you open the brackets 2x square plus 2x minus 2x square minus 5x minus 2 over this is x plus 1. So, now we factorize this one. If you factorize, then what you get? 2x square, this 5x can be written as 4x plus x plus 2, here greater than 0, greater than 0. So, now in next step, this minus 2x square plus 2x square cancel. So, here minus 5x plus 2x, that is minus 3x minus 2 over x plus 1 into, from first two terms you take out 2x common. Therefore, 2x into x plus 2 plus x plus 2 is greater than 0. Then here minus take out common, then minus of 3x plus 2 over x plus 1 into x plus 2 into 2x plus 1 is greater than 0. Now, here multiply both sides with minus, then inequality changes. Therefore, 3x plus 2 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into 2x plus 1 is less than 0. Now, to solve this inequality, use number line rule or wavy curve method. For that one, what we do? The roots of each linear expression you write here. X is equal to, first numerator's root is minus 2 by 3 and denominator's roots are minus 1 and minus 2, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now, we will put all these roots on number line in its order, that is first least number is minus 2. So, here you put minus 2, next one is minus 1. Now, you compare minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. So, which one is lesser? For that one, what we do is, so you take 2 by 3 and 1 by 2 first. So, first we compare these two numbers. For that one, you make the denominator same. For that one, you multiply the first number by 2, multiply and divide, and second number by 3. Then it becomes 4 by 6 and 3 by 6. Now, which one is greater? 4 by 6 is greater than 3 by 6. But here minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2, if you multiply both sides by minus, then inequality changes. So, which one is lesser? Minus 4 by 6 is lesser. Minus 4 by 6 means minus 2 by 3 here. So, you put here minus 2 by 3, next one is what? Minus 1 by 2. Like this you compare the numbers. Now, right. Now, what we do is, yes, now here no expression is having even powers, that is why there will be no everywhere sign changes. So, Wavy method is what? Now put the right hand side of the greatest root as positive sign. Everywhere while moving from right to left, at every root you change the sign because no even powers are there. That is why here plus minus plus minus plus. But our expression is what? Negative. So, in which interval our expression is negative? From minus 2 to minus 1 open interval and minus 2 by 3 to minus 1 by 2 open interval, because strictly less than 0 is there. Therefore, answer is what? So, x belongs to minus 2 minus 1 union minus 2 by 3 comma minus 1 by 2. So, this is the final answer.